I've got the ceramic heater to review. It is 750 watt and a 1500 watt, so it'll heat a very large room. Just unpacked it. Got the safety switch on the bottom, so when it's tripped, it'll shut off. It's on the off mode now. Got just the fan. Kicks out a pretty good amount of air. And then you got the low heat. Of course, you got the thermostatic control up or down. Clicks off about there. So it is thermostatically controlled. But that's the lowest setting. And it's already kicking out a great amount of heat. Please understand, I literally just plugged this in. And it doesn't smell like a lot of heaters you plug them in. It's got an awful smell. You can't see heat through the video, of course, but take my word for it. It's pretty hot, and that's the lowest setting. I clicked it on the 1500. That is super amount of heat. And again, surprising, it doesn't smell. I've got a pretty big hand, so the set's about that tall. Tips over, shuts off. Great product.